Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your ultimate destination for thrilling car reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lexus LC 500, a machine that promises exhilarating performance, luxurious design, and cutting-edge innovation. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest high-performance beasts and cutting-edge rides. Also, smash that like button and drop a comment below. Which car should we review next? Your input fuels our next videos. Now, buckle up, because this review is about to get fast, detailed, and exciting. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 features a sleek and aggressive exterior with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and distinctive curves. Its design stands out compared to competitors with unique details such as an innovative bumper design and signature lighting. The Coupe's low stance and wide body give it a commanding presence on the road, while the flowing lines and sculpted panels enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The attention to detail is evident in elements like the flush door handles and the intricate design of the taillights, which add to the vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal. Inside, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 offers premium leather and soft-touch materials, creating an atmosphere of opulence and comfort. The modern tech interface includes a high-resolution touchscreen, a digital dashboard, and seamless smartphone integration. The cabin is designed for both comfort and sportiness, featuring spacious seating and ample cargo room. The front seats are power-adjustable and offer heating and ventilation options, ensuring a comfortable ride in various climates. The rear seats, while more compact, provide adequate space for shorter journeys or additional storage. Ambient lighting and a meticulously crafted interior layout contribute to a luxurious driving experience. Under the hood, it packs a 5.0-liter V8 engine that produces 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, delivering a smooth yet performance-oriented driving experience. Equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a performance-tuned suspension, it's ideal for both daily driving and spirited performance. The naturally aspirated V8 provides a linear power delivery and a thrilling exhaust note that enthusiasts will appreciate. The adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, offering a balance between comfort and handling precision. Additionally, the rear-wheel drive configuration enhances the vehicle's dynamic driving characteristics. Safety is a priority with features like advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Additionally, advanced tech features such as autonomous driving support and parking assist ensure a modern driving experience. The Lexus Safety System Plus includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams, contributing to a comprehensive safety suite. The parking assist feature utilizes sensors and cameras to aid in maneuvering the vehicle in tight spaces, reducing the risk of collisions. Pricing starts at $99,250 for the base model, with top trims reaching up to $106,450. Compared to competitors like the BMW 8 Series and Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe, it offers a compelling blend of features, competitive pricing, and an edge in performance. The LC 500's pricing positions it attractively within the luxury sports coupe segment, offering a high level of standard equipment and performance capabilities. Optional packages, such as the Touring Package and Dynamic Handling Package, allow buyers to further enhance the vehicle's luxury and performance attributes to suit their preferences. In summary, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 delivers on its promise with standout features in design, performance, and safety. If you're after a high-performance, luxurious ride, this might be the perfect fit for you. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Prime Auto Insights for more in-depth car reviews.